So this is a step-by-step guide how you install your VirtualBox for your Kali or Windows, depend on the operating system you want to use. So we're using VirtualBox, other options too, but this is VirtualBox. So you type in your search bar VirtualBox, or if you know the website, which is www.virtualbox.org, you could type it directly on the address bar. So we are using a VirtualBox search, which leads us to this. So you click on it, it gives you an option to download, so you click on it. So you depend on where you installing the VirtualBox. Now I will be using Windows, which is this, but if you're using an OS, which is a macOS, you use this, you select this, or depend, you look at which of them is your home host of your VirtualBox. So I'm installing on Windows, so I select Windows. So it load, then it starts to download. You can see, then it downloads. So you open it, it gives you option to install, which you click yes, but I've done it, I've installed it, so I will just click no, but I already installed it already. But so after installation, you click on it, it will open for you like this. Then you click on new. So first and foremost, you download your VirtualBox. When you're done, then you download your ISO. I'm using Windows ISO. So go to Microsoft.com, then software download Windows 11 ISO. Click on it, takes you finish downloading. So you open your VirtualBox which you've installed. Click on new. Say you name your VirtualBox. What's the name of your VirtualBox? So I'm putting Cyber as the name of my VirtualBox. Then I'm installing Windows, so I'm not changing anything. Microsoft Windows 11. So you have option to pick which one you want. So I'm using Windows 11, so I'm leaving that way. So I'm installing Microsoft Windows, so I leave it on Microsoft Windows. So you click on this place, others, take you to your downloads or wherever you keep the VirtualBox ISO. So I'm picking it, so click on next. You change the username, so I'm putting Test Tech. Select your password, put the password you can easily remember, which is I'm using Kali because it's easier to remember, all small letters. So this is the host name, Cyber. I'm not changing anything, so click on next. Increase from 4 MB to, let's say, 5 gig. Then the processor, making it 3. Trying to see if the system, my VirtualBox Windows will be fast. So click on next. I'm not changing anything. 80 gig is enough for it, so leave it. But if you feel it's not enough, you can increase it, so maybe 100, depending on the size of your hard disk. So I'll leave it at 80. Click on next. summary, then click on finish, then wait. It's supposed to start installation. So a couple of minutes here, it's coming up. You could just close this, not leave it. So some minute to come up, then you follow the screen instruction. But depending on the system using, the size, some systems are faster to load. So press any key to boot here, just press any one. So you see it's loading, it's trying to load. If you have 32 gig RAM, it may be faster, depend on the RAM you have. Product key, enter the product key. I don't have, so okay, I don't have a product key, so click on this one, just for my VirtualBox. So but if you have a key, you click, put in the key on the bus. But if you don't, you just click on that, then you wait, follow the screen instruction, which will enable you install your new window on your virtual machine. Searching for disk, so installing Windows 11. Couple of minutes, I believe will be done. Straightforward, just read, follow the instruction, select what you need to select, and you're good to go. Also, as I've said earlier, depending on the window, or let's say depend on the operating system, which is the home system, which you are installing your virtual machine and an additional Windows or Linux, depend on what operating system you are installing, will determine how fast the installation will go. So if your system is 32 gig, 16 gig, 8 gig, speed will not be the same. It will be different. take some couple of minutes, so we just relax, let it do its thing. Sip your coffee if you love taking coffee. So after the installation is coming up, so I'm restarting the Windows. Let's power it up. Let's see how it goes. It's loading, it's coming up. So it's rounding up the installation, it asks us to restart the window, which we did, and it's coming up now. You restart a few times, then it will be able to be loading. Coming up, we're getting there, we're almost done. So time is faster depending on the machine. Our system is 16 gig RAM and has a lot of load in it. Take it times one. Finally, we're here. We're almost done. Finally. So time it takes patience to get these things done, especially when your system is not that too fast. You have to be patient. So our window on our virtual machine is getting ready, and it's coming up. Few minutes from now, everything will be perfect and we'll be able to use it. So I think we're almost there, just a few minutes. So now, a brief explanation. On the process of installation, you will see a message on the screen which say the system will shut down several times. When you're using doing installation on your laptop or desktop, you see it's easier somehow because you restart it, the system automatically restart himself. But this is a virtual machine. The settings do not give that permission for that, so I have to close it, shut down the virtual machine, restart the installation, which is shut down that is the virtual machine, which is the cyber. Shut it down, restart it, so it keep restarting till we got to this stage now. So those are the few gaps in it, so you have to close it yourself, then restart it. So that is a big difference from Kali Linux. Kali, when you're doing Kali installation, it goes more faster somehow, and I think the restart does not take several restarts like Windows. Windows is Windows, Kali is Kali, so you have to enjoy the operating system you're good with. Depending on what you want to do. Wow, I love Kali, but this what I want to do now, it needs Windows, so I need to put on install Windows on the system. So then there's another way, so which we can also follow. Maybe you are using command line, so that you just give option command. Mostly that is a Kali when you're doing Kali installation. So if you're doing command line installation, if you don't want to do this way, so you could also do command line installation. We are almost there. Welcome. Wow, this is our Windows 11. What a beauty. We're here now, finally. So let me just click on this. Let's see how it goes. Windows graphics is beautiful. So our browser is up. Yeah, we're here. So follow the steps one after the other. Comment if you have any challenges when doing it, then we could help you do it, or send you steps or guide you through it when doing the installation.